big news is about the arrest warrant that has been released against Gautam Adani. We have more details. Remember, only India Today is one by one giving you the confirmations on this big news. This is I think the biggest development that has happened, which is the arrest warrant on Adani that we can confirm to you. What does that mean? That he faces arrest if he does not appear for the trial that's coming in. And the bribery charge, remember, of over $250 million and importantly to government officials. India Today's legal editor Nalini Sharma joining me on this. Nalini, tell me this, so that means, like we were discussing, what this arrest warrant means primarily if Gautam Adani and his group does not cooperate with the investigators.
Well, Pooja, in case he does not cooperate with the investigators, there are several options available before the New York authorities. But before any of that happens, they would have had to put in place all of the evidence that they've gathered against him. Because that means if he's not cooperating, they will officially have to put in a request with the Indian authorities through diplomatic channels for him to be extradited so that he can face trial in the US. Now, of course, if a request has been put in, that does not mean that he is automatically going to be extradited or that the Indian government is going to accept the request. They are going to see what are the grounds for which he needs to be extradited. They also are going to see various aspects on the basis of which extradition in fact can be denied. If there are any political implications regarding the case, or if there's a threat to his life, or if he's likely to face death penalty, which of course is not in this case. But in case any of those grounds occur, then the Indian authorities can, of course, refuse to extradite him. Most importantly, if there are any trials or any proceedings that he is a part of in India that are already ongoing, then he will have to complete those proceedings before he can be extradited to the US. But of course, the extradition process has not yet begun because we are one step before that, where an arrest warrant is in place. It has been unsealed and it's been handed over to the law enforcement authorities for the next step to take place. Now, it remains to be seen exactly how they propose to ensure that Gautam Adani, in fact, is available and brought before the court in New York to ensure that during the arraignment all the charges can be explained to him, where he is also given a chance to either plead guilty or not plead guilty of the charges that have been levied against him. So it's a detailed procedure with a lot of hurdles in between, specifically because Gautam Adani is Indian and an Indian resident, and these proceedings are going on in the United States. So there are going to be several hurdles in making him a part of these proceedings that are going on in New York. But at the same time, the US authorities have ensured that an arrest warrant has been unsealed.
India Today confirming arrest warrant has been issued and it has been released also with regard to Gautam Adani. But that's more importantly if he does not cooperate. So it's a huge strategy right now for the group to really plan on, because this definitely looks like trouble for the group.